Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix GRADLE builds errors in Android Studio. So often these GRADLE's temporary build files get corrupted, and what we can do is head over here to the File tab and then Invalidate Caches. Check all the boxes and click Invalidate and Restart. Once Android Studio reopens, go to tab, Build tab, and then Clean Project right over here. And then immediately go again to the Build and then immediately go to the Build tab and choose Compile all sources or Compile Wizard How app main. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.